how you look when you wake in.
How's the kids up there, Charles? How long have you been here?
We got here about 10 o'clock this morning.
Hey, what have you done?
Well, what we're doing right now is getting us prep for these young students when they come in at the beginning of the school year to enjoy the library. So prepping the walls, getting the paint on the walls, getting the dirt off the ground.
And the paint on you?
Paint on us as well, but that's part of the process. The most important thing is we're getting ready for some young people to really do some good things by absorbing the learning that'll be inside this space. So it's an awesome project. Awesome project.
Yeah. Makes your heart full, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
It's exhilarating to be here. You know, we're doing something that's amazing. A big project like this, we are transforming an entire library, getting it ready for the new year. I think the kids are gonna love this. The look on their face. I think it's been closed for probably for the last semester, so this is gonna be fantastic.
Hi, my name is Benny. I'm the president of the Rotary Club of Southeast Nassau Centennial. And I'm here today with the project that we're doing, our joint project with Arson, the library renovation, just helping out painting and really enjoying ourselves, doing a good work for the kids. With this project, it's for the betterment of the kids educationally. I myself love libraries, love reading as a child, and so this project kind of tugged at me a bit. So providing this for the kids at Columbus Primary, it's a joy.
This is President Ruth of the Rotary Club of Southeast Nassau, and she's standing right next to world famous visual artist Alan Wallace. Do you have a story to tell us?
Well, Alan and I actually went to high school together. And so when we needed to do this mural, we thought of, first of all, he's a world-class renowned artist. And he's also been a friend of our club for a few years, having assisted on some of our other fundraising events like our polar bear swim. So it was a no-brainer to call him. He has a passion for community service, a passion for students. And so it was easy work for him to collaborate with the Rotary Club of Southeast Nassau. And as a former schoolmate of mine, he couldn't tell me no.
Is that right, Alan?
Absolutely, 100%.
Well, I can certainly start by saying that this is beyond the expectation. And in that very same way, and I would wish to join the minister in saying a sincere thank you to this arm of Rotary, because this is what it's all about. We all have to come together to make every work light. And just taking a look around, I'm inspired, and I'm sure when the children come back to school and get a chance to open the door, that they would definitely be inspired. There's a painting that's up on the wall that says reading takes you everywhere, and there's nothing like the joy of opening a book, seeing the pictures and reading the words. It goes a long way, as Minister said, in terms of literacy and also inspiring the imagination of young kids and getting them to understand that we don't have to pick up a phone for everything, but that reading can be fun, it can be exciting and imaginative. And at the end of the day, it assists with those GPAs, and that's what the Ministry of Education as well as corporate partners like Rotary and family and friends all want to see. We want to see those good grades at the end of the day on the report card. And no better place to start than by opening the box.
First of all, I want to send out a hearty
thank you to Rotary Southeast Nassau for the incredible, and I mean incredible, transformation that is taking place in this library. I said to one of the members that this is like adding oxygen to Columbus Primary. It is so beautifully done, and it's just an amazing reawakening, I'll use that word, of the whole issue of reading and literacy. I also want to commend them for the work they are doing in literacy and numeracy, particular literacy, which is a critical, fundamental life skill, one that we saw post-pandemic has been really challenged amongst our young people who lost 2 years of school. So this kind of input, this sort of incentivization that this library represents is just an incredible input to the overall effort of in the Ministry of Education and the work we seek to do in developing our young people. And I just want to end by saying this. We have always said from day one that the Ministry of Education, the government can do so much, but it is efforts like this where you see the level of beautiful volunteerism that is taking place in this space that makes the difference in who we are and what we are. And they've come into the Centerville community and put value. And so I want to really give my heartfelt thanks to this organization and to encourage them. I think they have a youth organization here now, forget what it's called, but Early Act, to encourage them to continue to support, because what you will yield from this investment will be mind-boggling in terms of its positive outlay. Thank you so much.